Hello, I'm Vishal, and today I'll be presenting a demonstration of our work titled Prudent, which is a generic dialogue agent that is capable of retrieving information from data sources using automated planning and reinforcement learning. As a precursor, I'll first discuss the problem we are trying to solve using Prudent. In this digital age, data is widely available to people's disposal. This has led to a greater need for obtaining information. However, the usual methods for information retrieval are by either using query languages such as SQL, which is not known to everybody, or manually searching through the corpus, which is a laborious process. Prudent is the proposed solution for the mentioned problem. It is a dialogue system which harnesses the innate natural language capabilities of the human for performing information retrieval. Let us take a quick peek into the building blocks of Prudent. We make use of Parley, a RL-based dialogue framework, to build Prudent. The novelty of Prudent lies in its ability to query information from any data source. This is realized with the help of a planner which adapts to the content structure of the data. We also explore multiple RL and planning integration strategies using Prudent. Here, we talk about how the PDDL domain for Prudent is modeled, the set of predicates and actions that help Prudent retrieve information from any data source are listed here. To give an example, the getUserQuery action takes place if the predicate StatusUnknownUserQuery is found to be true. The execution of the aforementioned action leads to an effect where the predicates StatusKnownUserQuery and StatusUnknownDB access are made true. This in turn would lead us to performing the consequent necessary actions which help the planner adapt to any data source. The planner generates the plan, that is, a sequence of actions that need to be performed by the executor in order to realize the user's goal. A sample plan that is generated when Prudent encounters a partial query is shown here. A partial query refers to the user query that has multiple similar instances occurring in the data source. We have tested the system on two large data sources, namely UNSPSC and ICD-10. UNSPSC is a global classification of products and services. It consists of 4,302 industrial commodities such as pliers, spray dryers, etc. ICD-10, on the other hand, is a medical classification by the World Health Organization to identify diseases, signs and symptoms, and external causes of injury or diseases. It consists of 94,766 codes corresponding to ailments ranging from plague to laceration of ulnar artery at various levels. Now, let us go ahead and look at the live demo of Prudent. The first query asked to Prudent is about the code for pliers with no explicit mention of the data source. The system uses RL to identify the data source as UNSPSC. However, in UNSPSC, there are 28 different pliers belonging to various families. Thus, Prudent, with the help of the planner and executor, further disambiguates the user's query and steers him towards reaching his goal. Next, we demonstrate the working of Prudent on ICD-10 data. We again show how RL is used for automatic source selection. We ask Prudent about the code for plague. However, there are multiple variations of plague and thus the need for disambiguation arises again. It is to be noted that ICD-10 has build and non-build codes. That is, a non-build code can be elaborated to obtain a build code. Thus, Prudent always aims to obtain a build ICD-10 code as it offers more specificity. This brings us to the end of our demonstration. For further details on the working of Prudent, please refer to the paper whose link will be given in the description. In case of any queries, feel free to contact us. Thank you and keep safe.